Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya and in today's video I'll be sharing what you should take in your travel bag. Without doing further delay, let's get started. Always carry a cleanser to remove that dirt, pollution and germs off your face, even in your holidays. Thermal water mists are nothing but water. You can use as many times as you want. It gives your skin that moisture without irritating your skin. Serum helps your skin to moisturize and repair your skin by itself. So never forget a serum in your travel pouch. They almost always come in small bottles, which also makes them very travel friendly. You should always carry a moisturizer in your travel pouch to moisturize your skin. But if you are not traveling to any very dry place and if you have a very moisturizing serum, then you can skip this. Sunscreen is always important to protect your skin from UV rays, so never forget a sunscreen in your travel bag. To avoid any discomfort, make sure to pack a moisturizing lip balm in your travel bag. So that is it for today. Hope it was helpful to you. If it was, so please like this video and share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.